going to take my topic synaptic transmission. In the synaptic transmission, we know that in our body, whole thing are controlled by the brain. Without brain, our body we cannot able to move, our organs also cannot able to do their function. So from the brain to particular organ, there is a connection between there. This connection is same like a connection between like a bulb and a switch. That wire connecting the bulb and switch, same like that the brain and respective organs are connected with the help of the nerves. Nerves is nothing but the bundle of neurons. A group of neurons combined together form a nerves. So in this only neurons are present. So if you cut the wire, there is no connection between the switch and bulb. So the bulb will not glow, current will not flow. But in this case of synaptic transmission, the neuron to neuron, from the brain to respective organ, there is no single neuron connection. More than many neurons combined together only, it will connect that path. So let me see, there is one neuron, another neuron. Like that, one neuron was connected with another neuron, not physically. There is a space between these two neurons, that is the synapse. The space between these two neurons is synaptic cleft. So through the synaptic cleft only, the signal get transported chemically. So neurotransmitters are helpful for the process. So just we can see. Before we enter into that topic, so this is the small thing. We're going to see in a brief manner. Let's see. There, this is the presynaptic neuron. The presynaptic neuron. This is a postsynaptic neuron. From the presynaptic to postsynaptic neuron, the signal need to transport. We know that in neuron, in the axon only, that action potential happens. In the axon, action potential happens. Action potential happens through electrically signals are get transported. Electrically signals are get transported. When this action potential reaches the end of the presynaptic neuron, because of this action potential, there is a two voltage gate channels are present. Two sides, in both sides. Sorry, this end, there is a voltage gate channels are present. This voltage gate channels for this calcium. So this due to the action potential, the voltage gated calcium channel get opens. Then calcium present in the outside the membrane get come inside this presynaptic neuron. Due to this entry of this calcium ion, this stimulate the synaptic vesicle towards the membrane of the presynaptic neuron. So this helps to moving this inside these synaptic vesicles. Neurotransmitters are present. This neurotransmitter like acetylcholine, GABA, that glutamate, aspartate, like this neurotransmitter present in this synaptic vesicle that come to the membrane of this presynaptic neuron. Whenever the action potential reaches, that opening of the voltage gate happen. This voltage gate opens, causes the calcium ion come enter inside the presynaptic neuron. Then this stimulate the synaptic vesicle towards the membrane of the presynaptic neuron. Then through the exocytes process, it releases that neurotransmitters enter into the synaptic cleft. This is the space between the presynaptic neuron and postsynaptic neuron. Then what happened next? Then these neurotransmitters having the receptors present in the postsynaptic neuron. These receptors, there is a specific receptor for specific neurotransmitters. So these receptors only can able to control this particular channel. That channel is ligand gated channel. This ligand gated channel allows the sodium enters inside the postsynaptic neuron. It creates the action potential in postsynaptic neuron. Whenever this neurotransmitter attached with this receptor present in this ligand gated channel, then only it opens this ligand gated channel. So these receptors play a vital role to control the ligand gated channel. Okay, let's see. If the receptors bind with this, there is a two types of neurotransmitters. One is inhibitory, another is exhibitory neurotransmitters. When this inhibitory neurotransmitters are attached with these receptors, this closes the ligand gated channel. It not allowed to movement of the sodium gated channel inside the postsynaptic neuron. But when the exhibitory neurotransmitters attached to this ligand voltage channel receptor, it allows the sodium enter inside. So due to this entering of the sodium inside the postsynaptic neuron, there is action potential created in this postsynaptic neuron. It causes the action potential. So this is the overall about things. Firstly, that action potential from this presynaptic neuron reaches this end of this presynaptic neuron. Due to this voltage channel get opens, then calcium ion comes inside. It is stimulate that vesicles to move towards the membrane. These vesicles having the neurotransmitter exercise this process. It comes to the synaptic vesicles. It attaches with the receptors. Then receptor helpful for the opening of the channel, ligand gated channel. Then that sodium enters inside the postsynaptic neuron. Then it creates the action potential in the postsynaptic neuron. Then action potential travel to the another neuron. This is how that neuron signal get transmitted in the synaptic synapse. Okay. Okay, thank you.